Why budget? It's your money, your freedom. Let's talk money, folks. We all want financial freedom, right? Well, budgeting is the key. It's not about being cheap, it's about being in control. Whether you're rolling in dough or watching every penny, a budget is your roadmap to financial peace, and it helps you reach your goals, big or small. Think dream vacation, paying off debt, or just feeling secure about your finances. A budget gives you clarity. It shows you where your money is going. You might be surprised by those little expenses that add up. And with a clear picture, you can make informed decisions about your spending. No more wondering where your paycheck went. You'll know exactly how much you have for bills, fun, and savings. When you budget, you can afford the things you value most, guilt-free. So, are you ready to take control of your money and your future? Let's dive into the world of budgeting and discover the path to financial freedom. And now let's get real tracking your spending habits. Before you create a budget, you need to know where your money is going. This means tracking your spending. Start by gathering your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts. And you can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Next, categorize your expenses. Common categories include housing, transportation, food, utilities, entertainment, and savings. Be as detailed as possible. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back. You might be surprised to see how much you spend on takeout coffee or impulse purchases once you have a month or two of spending data. Analyze your habits, so grab a pen and paper or fire up that budgeting app, and let's get tracking. Now that you have a handle on your spending, it's time to create a budget. But with so many different methods out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. The good news is there's no one-size-fits-all approach. The best budget is the one that works for you and your lifestyle. Let's explore some popular budgeting methods, each with its pros and cons. We'll cover the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, and the envelope system. We'll also touch on budgeting apps, which can simplify the process and provide valuable insights. The key is to choose a method that aligns with your personality and financial goals. If you prefer simplicity, the 50-30-20 rule might be a good fit. If you're highly organized and want complete control, zero-based budgeting could be your best bet. And if you're more visual and prefer cash, the envelope system might be the way to go. So let's dive into the world of budgeting methods and find the perfect fit for you. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting method that's easy to understand and implement. It involves dividing your after-tax income into three categories: needs, wants, and savings. 50% of your income goes towards your needs. These are your essential expenses, such as housing, transportation, groceries, and utilities. 30% of your income is allocated to your wants. These are the things you enjoy but don't necessarily need, such as dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and shopping. So the remaining 20% of your income is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This includes saving for emergencies, retirement, and other financial goals, as well as paying down any outstanding debts you may have. The beauty of the 50-30-20 rule is its simplicity. It's easy to remember and can be adjusted to fit your individual circumstances. However, it's important to note that this is just a guideline. You may need to adjust the percentages based on your income, expenses, and financial goals. Section 5, zero-based budgeting. Giving every dollar a job. Zero-based budgeting is a more detailed and comprehensive approach to budgeting. It's based on the principle of giving every dollar a job. This means that you account for every dollar of your income and assign it to a specific expense category. The goal is to have $0 left over at the end of the month. To create a zero-based budget, you start by listing all your income sources for the month. Then you list all your expenses, from rent and groceries to entertainment and savings. You assign a specific dollar amount to each expense category, ensuring that your total expenses equal your total income. One of the main advantages of zero-based budgeting is that it forces you to be more mindful of your spending. And when you have to account for every dollar, you're less likely to make impulse purchases or overspend in certain categories. But if you're looking for a comprehensive and effective way to manage your money, zero-based budgeting is a great option. Section 6, envelope system, cash-based budgeting for control freaks. The envelope system is a cash-based budgeting method that's ideal for people who prefer a more visual and hands-on approach. It involves dividing your cash into different envelopes, each labeled with a specific spending category. For example, you might have an envelope for groceries, transportation, entertainment, and so on. At the beginning of the month, you withdraw the allocated amount of cash for each category and place it in the corresponding envelope. When you make a purchase, you pay with cash from the designated envelope. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you're done spending in that category for the month. The envelope system is a great way to stay within your budget and avoid overspending. When you see the cash dwindling, it's a visual reminder to curb your spending. It also helps you prioritize your spending and make conscious choices about where your money goes. However, the envelope system may not be practical for everyone. Section 7. Budgeting apps, your digital money management sidekick. In today's digital age, budgeting apps have become increasingly popular. These apps can simplify the budgeting process, provide valuable insights into your spending habits, and help you stay on track with your financial goals. They offer a range of features, from expense tracking and budgeting tools to bill payment reminders and investment options. Budgeting apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically tracking your transactions and categorizing them for you. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and provides a real-time view of your cash flow. Many apps also offer personalized insights and recommendations based on your spending patterns. Some popular budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, YCHA, You Need a Budget, iChai, Personal Capital, and Every Dollar. Each app has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your needs and preferences. Budgeting apps can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Section 8, common budgeting pitfalls and how to avoid them. Even with the best intentions, budgeting can be challenging. Life throws curveballs and unexpected expenses pop up, but don't let common pitfalls derail your financial progress. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. 1, setting unrealistic goals. Start small and gradually adjust your budget as you get comfortable. Trying to cut back too much too soon can lead to frustration and failure. 2, not tracking expenses consistently. Make it a habit to track your spending regularly, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Out of sight, out of mind can sabotage your budget. 3, ignoring small expenses. Those daily coffees or impulse buys add up. Factor them into your budget or find ways to cut back. 4, not adjusting for irregular expenses. Account for annual bills, insurance premiums, or holiday spending. Spread the cost throughout the year to avoid surprises. 5. Giving up too easily. Budgeting takes practice. Section 9, take charge of your money. Achieve financial freedom. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this budgeting journey. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your money so you can live, the life you want, free from financial stress. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can handle unexpected expenses. Imagine the joy of achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. Budgeting is the key to unlocking those dreams. Now go out there and make your money work for you. You've got this.